Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of complex analysis asked in CSIR NET 2019. So our question is, the coefficient of x minus pi by 2 in the Taylor series expansion of the function fx is equals to 4 1 minus sin x upon 2x minus pi by pi at x not equals to pi by 2 and 0 x is equals to pi by 2 about x is equals to pi by 2. So we have to find the coefficient of x minus pi of this function. So first we have to manipulate this function to find the coefficient of this. What we do here, fx is equals to 4 1 minus sin x. What we do this with sin x, we will add pi by 2 and subtract pi by 2. Upon taking 2 common, we get x minus pi by 2, which is equals to 2 1 minus sin pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 upon cancel we get 2 and here x minus pi by 2. So this is what 90 plus theta type. Sin 90 plus theta is equals to cos theta. So this function become 2 1 minus cos, this is theta, x minus pi by 2 upon x minus pi by 2. Now what we do, we have to expand this function, the series of cos x. This is cos x minus pi by 2. What we get? 2 1 minus, what is the expansion of cos x? 1 minus x minus pi by 2 to the power 2 into 2 factorial plus x minus pi by 2 to the power 4 upon 4 factorial negative and so on upon x minus pi by 2. Open this bracket, what we get? 2. If we open this bracket, this minus 1 and plus 1 cancel each other and this minus and minus become plus. So what we get? X minus pi by 2 to the power 2 upon 2 factorial. We get out this minus x minus pi by 2 to the power 4 upon 4 factorial plus and so on upon x minus pi by 2. Taking x minus pi by 2 outside, this will cancel this. So what we get? And multiply 2 inside. What we get? X minus pi by 2 minus x minus pi by 2 to the power cube into 2 upon 4 factorial. Here 2, if we multiply 2 by 2, this cancel out and the series is continue. So we have to find the coefficient of x minus pi by 2. The coefficient of x minus pi by 2 is what? It's 1. If we expand this and see, this is the coefficient of x minus 2, which is 1. So option A is correct. So this is a simple question of complex analysis based on Taylor series expansion. We have to apply some manipulation in this function and solve this by expansion of cos x and get the answer. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.